So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your term weighting or how to calculate the final mark for a year-long class with a final exam. So right now I'm currently in a class for which I have a final exam, an algebra class, and I'm going to go to the blue banner and hover over report card. Next, I'll click on term weighting. So we have two things that we'll need to set up. First, we're going to set up a first semester mark to let it know what to do. Excuse me. So under first semester, I'm going to check second quarter and put in 100%. This is the first thing I need to do. The second thing I'll need to do is set up the final mark. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to be looking for where it says final mark in one of these on the left side. So I can see final mark is at the very bottom. So I'm going to check off final mark. It bounces me all the way back up to the top. I need to scroll back down to find the final mark that I just checked. And then under final mark, I'm going to tell it, please calculate the grade for final mark from fourth quarter. And this is where yours might be different, but I'm going to show you an example. 90% from the fourth quarter, and then I'll check off, fourth quarter final exam, and put how much weight the final exam is worth. So this should add up to 100%. So whatever your fourth quarter final exam is, please put in that weight, and then subtract that from 100% for the fourth quarter weight. So after I've done that, I'll check off whatever other sections this applies to. And then in the top right-hand corner, I'm going to click Update. To see that you're correct, you're going to check current calculated periods for the class that is year-long with a final exam. And it should have first semester, calculate second quarter 100%. And then it should have final mark, calculate fourth quarter 90%, and fourth quarter final exam 10%, or whatever other distribution you have for your final exam.